triangle KLN, NO is equal to OK. Right, red mark. What else? KL is parallel to OM. These two segments are parallel. And the area of KLN is 100 square feet. Find the area of triangle OMN. So we have also that given that area of triangle KLN is 100 square feet. So now we have to find area of OMN triangle. So what we have given here? We have triangle KLN. And we have area of this triangle. We need to find area of this triangle OMN. Because KL is parallel to OM, if we extend these lines, we see that they are cut line NK, and because OM is parallel to KL, so the angle K is congruent to angle NOM. These two angles are congruent. Why? Because these lines KL and OM are parallel and they cut line NK. So we can write that measure of angle K is the same like measure of angle NOM. What else? We can write that measure of angle LNK is congruent to measure of angle LNK. LNK is equal to measure of angle LNK by reflexing property. So now we can write that by angle, similar postulate, we have that triangle KLN is similar to triangle OMN. The triangles are similar, so the corresponding side lengths are proportional. So we can write that side NO is proportional to NK and NM to NL and also OM to KL. We have given that side NO is equal to OK. So we can write that because NO is equal to OK, so we can write that side NK is equal to 2NO. Because we see that NO is equal to OK, it means that the segment NK is divided to two equal sides. So we can rewrite that NK is equal to 2 times NO. or you can write 2 times OK, because this side is equal to that side. So now we can take this first 2 proportion and we can rewrite that it will be NO, we will copy, and NK we will substitute that this is 2 times NO. And the right side we will copy. So now we see that NO we can reduce, and what we have? We have that NM over NL is equal, it will be NO divided by MO will be 1. So we have 1 over 2 times 1 is 2. So we found the ratio of sides. What next? We have 2 similar triangles. We have ratio of sides. And also we have given area of triangle KLM is 100 square feet. We need to find area of triangle OMN. So because we found the ratio of sides, we will use theorem that in 2 similar triangles, the ratio of their areas is the square of ratio of their sides. Let me write this. In 2 similar triangles, the ratio of the areas is the square of the ratio of the sides. So let's use this now. We have ratio of sides, so the ratio of areas, on numerator we have to put the area of smaller triangle, because when we calculate the ratio of sides, always we put in numerator the shorter side and in denominator the longer, and K is longer than NO. So now we have to put in numerator the smaller triangle, so area of triangle OMN to area of triangle KLN is equal square of ratio of their sides. So we have ratio of sides is 1/2. We have to take to second power. What else? We have area of triangle KLM is 100 square feet, so we will substitute the numerator. Numerator we will copy. Area of triangle OMN to, we have 100 square feet is equal 1/2 to second power is 1/4. Now, to get rid of this proportion, we will multiply numerator times denominator and the denominator times numerator. So we have that area of triangle OMN times 4. So I will put 4 at the beginning times area of triangle OMN is equal, we have 100 square feet times 1. So this is 100 square feet. And now, because we need to find the area, we will divide both sides by 4. 4 and 4 we can reduce, and we have that area of triangle OMN is equal 100 divided by 4 is 25 square feet. So we found the area of our triangle. This is my solution.